Good morning to all students, parents and teachers. This demonstration video is regarding how do we use Google Meet. This demonstration video will be very useful for those students who are going to take part in the upcoming inter-school competition Expressions 2020-21. This demonstration video will be in two phases. In part 1 of the video, I will be discussing how we will be making use of Google Meet through computer and laptop devices. In the second part of this video, I will be demonstrating how we will make use of Google Meet for this Expressions 2021 competition through mobile devices. So let us begin part 1. In this part, I will be demonstrating how we will be making use of Google Meet through computer or laptop devices on the day of your actual live event. Students, 1 or 2 days prior to your competition, you will be receiving a Google Meet invitation link which will be something like this. This is just a demo link, an example link to make you explain how we will face a Google Meet meeting on the day of our actual live event. So let us begin. First thing, what you can do, either you can directly click on the link which is provided to you. Students, remember this part of the demo is for attending this Expression 2020-21 competition through desktop or laptop. So what you can do, simply you can copy the link which is provided to you, or if you want you can type the link in Google Chrome web browser. Okay, I have copied the link, so I will paste the link and I am hitting enter. Now please be very sure that the first time you are logging in, Google will actually ask the proper credentials, that is username and password of the account you are trying to sign into. Enter proper credentials so that you are recognized by the Expressions 2021 organizers. So let us proceed. I am here entering my demo credentials so that it will be easy for me to explain. Now students, very important, when you are logging in, your Google Chrome browser may ask you for permission to use microphone and camera. Okay, so without fail, you must always press the allow button. If not, what will happen students? Your Google Chrome browser will not have access to use your camera as well as microphone, which will be difficult on the day of the event if the permission is not allowed. Now as you are able to see, we are having permission for microphone and this camera. So you can see on the screen that Google Chrome, before you join the meeting, is displaying your video as well as audio connectivity feature is there. If you are able to see it, as I am speaking, these lines are, you can say, going up and down. That means Google Chrome is detecting your audio very well. Once you are ready, you can press on join now on the day of the actual event. Now students, this and here you will be able to manage things well, because already we are having the understanding of WebEx. Okay, some of the features here work just as WebEx. Let me give you some introduction to some of the basic parts. On the top part of the screen, okay, you will be able to see the participants window, normally as we see in WebEx. You can click on the participants window, and on the day of the actual event, you will be able to see all your participants, those who are there in the event. Next to the participant window, inside that we have the chat feature. If on the day of the event any organizer is asking you certain questions, you can respond to them here. Now very basic things, during the Expressions 2021 event, it is requested that initially when you are joining the meeting, you can keep your video and microphone off. Remember students, red color means your video and microphone is off. Now whenever your turn comes for performance, what you can do, you can turn your video on and turn your audio on. To turn your video and audio on, simply you can click this button of microphone. You will see that it will turn to white color. Similarly, to turn your video on, you can click this video button. You will be able to see it will turn in white color, and within few moments you will be able to see your video on the screen. Okay, as you are able to see, as I turned on my video is available here. It is visible on the top part of the screen. You will be able to see the screen on that day, on the time of the actual event. So students, what are the basic details? Once again I repeat, during the day of event, whenever you are signing into Google Meet, make sure when you are logging in through the proper username and password. Okay, then make sure that when you are entering the meeting, initially you are keeping your mic muted and you can say your camera off. Okay, you can see all the participants using the participants window, all the organizers, all the teachers on the day of the event. If teachers are trying to communicate to you using chat messages, you can also do as we are normally doing in WebEx. Major controls are at the center of the screen: microphone and camera. Whenever any organizing teacher asks you any information or your turn or time of performance comes, you can kindly unmute your mic and start your video and start performance. Okay, so I think this first part of the video, which is regarding attending Google Meet through desktop or laptop computers using Google Chrome web browser, is very clear to all of you. Now let us switch to the next part of the video, where we will be seeing how to attend Google Meet through a mobile device. Now students, we will be seeing how we will attend Google Meet through mobile device. You can all kindly open Play Store or App Store on the version of the operating system of the mobile that you are using. I have opened Play Store and I will type Google Meet in the Play Store. Now you will see this icon, first icon, Google Meet, and kindly press on the install button. Once Google Meet is installed, students, you will be able to see the icon of Google Meet on your screen. Please open it. Just like I discussed in the previous case, you will be receiving a link 1 or 2 days prior to your actual competition. You are requested to use the same link when you are using Google Meet through your mobile device. Okay, as you are able to see, I have the link ready with me. I will be just opening the link when I am ready. Okay, so let us proceed. Let us press on continue. Now please be very mindful. You have to allow all the permissions which your app is asking for, so that proper microphone and camera access is given to your app. Once this is done, your Google Meet app may ask you to sign in. Kindly sign in with your proper username and password of Google, so that process is smooth. I have already logged in into my Google account as I did in the first part of the video. Now students, once you are ready with this, you can kindly click on the link which is provided to you. I will just try to open the link, and you can open the link directly using the Meet app. You please select on Meet. Now as you can see, before joining the final meeting, a preview will come up. Kindly make sure that your video is coming, and as I demonstrated in the first part, the two options which are present is, one of them is for video, which can turn on and off as per requirement, and second option is for audio. As I explained in the first part of the video, students, when you are joining the meeting, please make sure that your video and audio is off, and when the organizers or the organizing teachers ask you some question or your turn of participation come, you can turn your video and audio on. So let us join. Now students, you will be able to see that the same interface is there here. All the participants will appear in the form of this kind of small pop-ups that you are able to see. Okay, you can see all the participants here when multiple participants are joining, and the normal options of muting your audio, switching on the camera, that you can take care of itself in the mobile app. Only thing you need to take care, one students, when you are you can say participating in this competition through mobile app, is that if you are performing something, you have to make sure that when your chance comes, your mobile is kept steady, it does not move a lot, so that participants or the judges are easily able to see your performance. In case some participants require some music to be played while some performance, you can easily use any other mobile phone to just play the music, and that music can be kept near this mobile phone, so that the audio reaches the organizers properly. Okay, so students, that would be all from my side for this demonstration. If any doubts is there regarding installation or joining the meeting, that can be discussed with the respective in charge teachers of each competition. Thank you and have a nice